Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Chiropractic Cracks and Coffee. I'm Dr. Todd Lloyd, based out of San Francisco and Rican Chiropractic. Today, I'm in my home studio in Sonoma, California. I've got my coffee, I've got my YouTube, and we're going to watch some cracks while I drink my coffee. This is an educational channel, and the purpose of this is to make educational commentary on some of the content from other chiropractors on YouTube. And the reason why I'm doing this is I like to learn more about my field, what other people are doing in the chiropractic space. I'm always learning new technique, new approaches, and I'm learning what not to do in many of these videos. I'm a chiropractor with 18 years of experience, and I'm always learning more. There's always more I could do, and maybe there's a lot of stuff I forgot about. Today, though, I am reviewing videos from a non-chiropractor who uses a lot of chiropractic technique. And this guy's name is Master Chris Leong. And he does this Tit Tar technique. Now, one of the things I'm really interested in is frozen shoulder treatment, because frozen shoulders is a really tough technique, or it's a really tough condition to work on. No. So after this advertisement, we're going to learn how Master Chris Leong approaches this. Let's go full screen. He's hitting us with some vertical video. He's in some clinic. Testing shoulder range of motion. Looks pretty good on the right side. Hypermobility. A little bit stuck there. That's not too bad, though. That's kind of tough. Man, I think he likes to make people feel it. Master Chris Leong, making people feel it. So a couple of things about Master Chris Leong. He's wearing gloves with every patient. I'm not sure why. I've never seen a chiropractor wear gloves to adjust somebody. I've maybe seen acupuncturists wear gloves because that could potentially open up the skin and pass along bloodborne diseases, maybe. He's wearing gloves to adjust people, to do his manipulation. The other thing about Master Chris Leong is that he does this kiya, this with every adjustment that he does. Pretty interesting. That is also not something that a chiropractor would do. And but I've been tempted to do that on my own patients. The third thing is that Master Chris Leong will adjust every joint in your body, as we shall see. Oh, the fourth thing, he loves to test and retest, and that's one of my favorite things about him, is that he'll test, and he'll test, and he'll test, and then he'll adjust, he'll retest, and he'll retest. And what I found by watching him is that every time he retests, that's probably part of the therapy too, because he's getting that range of motion back in a body part every time he retests. And he's probably demonstrating to his patient that they should not be afraid to use that body part through its full range of motion. So as we shall see, he's going to work on this guy's left frozen shoulder. Yeah, it's not too bad, but I guess it's pretty painful. That's pretty good range of motion, but he's leaning away from the pain. He hasn't even adjusted him yet. They give him some small adjustments. Alright, I like his enthusiasm every time I see these videos. He's very enthusiastic. Hey, the piece shoulder. And that guy doesn't seem too bothered by it. He always does that ear adjustment. He always tackles the upper neck from side to side. He always does the elbow and wrist. He'll get the wrist and he'll start doing the fingers too. This is a thoracic extension adjustment. He does this in every patient too. A little more thoracic extension. Oh, that was a shoulder adjustment.
Mama, suaranya bau sesedap naik. Awak tangan ini. Ini tengok. Boleh naik.
Mama's got some good range of motion in her shoulder.
Sebelah sini. Wait, original. Oh, ini yang tak boleh. Ini naik. Okay ya.
Oh man, that was kind of a disappointing video. Let's go to the next one.
Serupa. Okay, suaranya banyak.
Let's go.
Thank you.
To this one, because we must watch it to the very end. It's a special case. This guy looks like he's about 103 years old. Look, he's got some other people prepping patients over here, doing some massages. I think maybe she might be doing some upper back adjustments. It's multicultural because he's got a white guy here working on this guy. Master Chris has his assistants.
I show him everything before you do plan. Không fan you and then I show everything to you.
I'm kind of watching this girl off to the right to see if she's adjusting or just wiggling people around. Kind of doing some soft tissue work on somebody. Alright, so he's adjusting this old man's wrist and elbow. The wrist, the fingers, loosening it up. And the elbow. He's mounting him as he adjusts his neck with a modified rotary brake from the front. Getting his ear, just like he always does. He grabs onto the cartilage of the ear. Feeling his low back. Working on something in there. Alright, this is the other thing I admire about Master Chris is that he's working on a tough case. Usually these YouTube chiropractors have some girl who's 18 years old and it's really easy to get them to pop, to get a nice noise out of them, but Master Chris is working on this old man who can't even get out of his wheelchair by himself. So he's getting in there, he's working with what he has, adjusting the hip, kind of really restricted. I think the way he does his noises, his kia, when he adjusts these people is an advantage because that guy really knows it's coming. Man, he must really have obturated muscles in there, really stiff, really tough to get to. Getting midfoot. Holding down the hip. Getting the knee range of motion back in there. Did he die on him? No, he's still alive. See if they're gonna get him out of the wheelchair or not. We're 4 minutes into it. Got him out of the wheelchair. Laying him down on the table. For some reason, Master Chris will record using vertical video on his phone. Alright, we're gonna adjust his low back.
This side is hedge.
And we're still waiting. So let's go faster speed here. So we're gonna adjust his pelvis. Feeling the muscles. Little comedy there. There we go. Trying to get that hip loosened up. If you had to pull a fence post out of the ground, it's stuck in really soft dirt, you just kind of wiggle it and pull it out. But if you had to pull a fence post out of the ground that's in really hard packed dirt and it's been there for a long time, you can't just pull it straight out. You have to grab onto the post and wiggle it back and forth in small movements. And that's what Master Chris is doing here with this old man. He's got to tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it to loosen it up. And as he loosens his hip up, the very tight, kind of almost dry but fibrotic muscles in the hip let go just a little bit at a time. So that's why it's taking so long, and that's why he has to do the repetitive motions. He can't just take his low back and do a big lumbar roll to get it to loosen up. He's got to kind of tap it, tap it, tap it. So usually when you watch a chiropractic video on a young person, it's just a one and done, get it adjusted, get a nice pop out of it, and then you're on your way. Lots of relief. Now with this old man, he's got to do something over and over. I still don't know why he does that knee extension every time. It's part of the sequence though. He does the knee extension, and he pulls the hip out into like a frog leg position to get that range of motion back in there. Loosening that groin. So I do a lot of extremity adjustments at my office too. But I can see how I could add some of that hip range of motion to help loosen up the hip in more of those directions. I usually do the just simple rotation with the knee bent, with the hip bent. But I don't do manipulations with the hip abducted and externally rotated. So here Master Chris is going to move to the neck. They're going to anchor that guy down. He's going to use the towel to do a long axis distraction on the neck. We'll see how aggressive he can be with him. Yeah, nice and gentle. I think I'd be terrified to move too much on that too. Look at that guy get up. That's what it's all about.
厉害嘞！我给你下，哇，我不想谁啊？
I can't tell what they're saying, but I think that that guy might be sore later on in the morning. Yeah, that was pretty amazing. That was worth watching.
OK 啊，哥，可以走来走去了，现在。
等下休息先啊，休息先。
收一收，哇，看到女孩子漂亮，好来，好，阿哥站这里，阿哥站这里，跟我来，我跟漂亮女孩，超多機啊！
超棒啊！对，这样子，这样子。
哦，这样，这样。
All right, that was good to see. Those are some good results, and I suppose that's what we can expect when we take some dysfunctional body parts and add a little more function to it. Very good. Looks like we have another 30 seconds here. I'm not sure. It looks like it's just like a photo op time. Very cool. Well, that was Master Chris Leong. He's got a lot to teach us. And that concludes another episode of Chiropractic Crack and Coffee. I'm Dr. Lloyd in Sonoma, California. If you want to see more videos like this where I critique chiropractic videos, looking at the good and the bad, please subscribe and hit the like button. We're growing this channel. This is only our third episode. I'm doing another investigation on other chiropractic videos where I think they're dubbing in fake sounds. So I gotta find out how to do that and kind of analyze that with software. But I've noticed there's a trend in chiropractic videos where you hear the same sound and you take a body part that doesn't usually pop, and consistently, every time they adjust that body part, there's a popping sound. So this is pretty dubious. I'm going to investigate that and do a video on that too. Thanks for watching.